Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an administrator user in AWS. This way you won't need to use the root account for your day-to-day operations, which is a crucial security measure in AWS. Let's dive in. First, I'm going to log in into my AWS account, which I did earlier. Once I'm logged in, I'll navigate to the top menu and then select security credentials. Now in this page, I'll click on user in left hand menu to open the user management page. To create a new user, I'll click the add user button. I'll be prompted to enter a username and password. So I'm going to add a admin1 and I'll make sure to check provide user access to the AWS account manager console. And then here I'm going to select the second option, which is I want to create an IAM user. Then we have two options here for the password. The first one, which is auto-generated password, and the second one is custom password. You can enter your own password for this new admin user. I leave it as a default. Then we have another option here. User must create a new password, which is force the new admin to change the password after successful login. I leave this option as a default and then I'll click on the next button here. In this step, I'll give the new user administrator permission. I'll choose the attach policy directly. And then from here, I select administrator access and then scroll down and click on the next button. So in this page, we can review and then we have a chance to add a tags to this new user. And finally, I'm going to click on create user. And that's it. I've successfully created an administrator user in AWS. Now I see a URL at the top of the page, which is this one. I can share this URL with anyone who needs access to administrator account. I also have the option to send the URL and username via email with this button. Uh, but I need to share the password separately as it won't be included the email. And that's how you create an administrator user in AWS. By following this step, you can improve your account security and adhere to best practices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.